You don't try to trick me and I just do that.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and by the title of this video you should know what the challenge is. So today we'll be doing the balloon challenge. You guys, we've been dying to do this challenge and today is finally the day. So we have balloons and more balloons, and Tyler is sleeping, so we're gonna try to keep it as quiet as possible, okay? So here is how the balloon challenge works. We're going to do 6 rounds. How many rounds we did, honey?
6 rounds.
We did 6 rounds of the balloon challenge. I'm just going to tell you how the rounds work, and then we're going to just jump straight into the challenge. So round 1 is going to be the chest bump challenge. So let me just show you how the chest bump is going to be. So what is going to happen is that we're going to put the balloon under clothes. I'm going to put one, baby's going to put one, and then we're going to try and bump each other like this to burst the balloon. Whoever wins the most rounds win the challenge. So let's see if this is a good revenge for the remaining challenge for babe. So round 2, the sitting on the balloon challenge. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the balloon down and we're gonna sit on it to try and burst the balloon. Get that? Round 3 is the punching round. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the balloon under her clothes and I'm gonna punch babe's stomach. And baby's gonna punch my stomach. Yes. And whoever pops the balloon wins the round. Round 4. Round 4 is the humping round. So I'm gonna put the balloon here and I'm gonna hump baby, and see who can pop the balloon, and baby's gonna hump me back and see who can pop the balloon first. Whoever pops wins. Round 5 is the juggling round. So what is gonna happen is that we're gonna juggle the balloon and see who can juggle the most balloon in the air. Whoever juggles the most balloon wins. Round 6, the between the leg pop. So what we're gonna do, like babe showing you, put the balloon between our legs and squeeze it like this. Whoever pops the balloon win the round. So let's go. This should be so much fun. All right.
Round 1.
I'm scared. Weird. Ready? Babe, your foot.
You're too short.
Wait, you're stepping on my toe.
Come on.
Wait. Ow! Weird.
Don't stop me every time.
You're so aggressive.
Don't stop me. Come on.
Wait. Ready?
Come on.
Look at it.
It's not bursting.
It's not working.
What kind of balloon is that?
What kind of balloon is this? It's harder than I thought it would be. Baby, you're pushing me.
Yeah, but yeah. No, it's not bursting.
No, stop.
Alright, let's try the second one.
You guys, something is wrong with these balloons. They're not bursting. It doesn't matter what we do, these balloons just not bursting. Damn. Okay, let's try the second round and see if they'll actually burst. So let's go to the sitting round. So round 1 failed. Ready? Come, join together. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Yeah!
I don't see it. I don't move.
I said 3. Come on.
Did you jump on the floor? I'm scared.
Come on.
I'm scared.
Come on.
What did you do with it?
Sit on it.
I'm scared.
I'm scared with you. Don't think about balloon. Come in the middle. You don't think about balloon. You just pop. The other one you're scared because it's on you, and this one you don't even feel it. I promise you. Right.
Round 3 is a punching round. The punching round is gonna be hard, like the pumping round. But let's try. Man, these balloons. Spray.
She. Take out the ring.
So what? You want me to turn it around like
Alright. That was one time?
this? No, I'm just touching it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. She hit my stomach. That's.
I didn't touch the balloon.
You touched me.
It hurts.
I know. You touched.
Okay, I realized, oh gosh, babe, don't hit me hard. Don't hit me hard. Baby, you can't hit me hard. Wait, baby, you can't hit me hard.
I'm not gonna hit you hard.
You're just gonna hit it mild, right? I'm tensing. Ah!
She looks like she's going to poop. You focus. Come on.
I'm afraid of your punches.
Yeah, don't worry.
Okay, this is the last try for the punch round, you guys, because it's just not happening.
Hey.
Alright, you guys, so that's another fail. Humping round. Humping round.
What is that?
Humping round. Who go first?
With that?
Yes.
I'm not gonna make it.
Hmm?
You're not gonna make it.
Why?
I know you.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Nice, nice, nice. Nice.
You better get it.
You're gonna try to check me and I just do that?
Ready?
Yeah. Come back. Come back.
Wait. Alright, that was a good one. So now we're going to do the juggling round. Ready?
Yeah. That's cheat.
Go. more round to go, and this is a leg pop round. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna put the balloon between our foot like this and try to pop it. Come.
Is the first one to do it or we have to try it?
No, the first one we'll do it. Come beside me. Oh, you didn't even like this. Let's see who makes most.
Okay, so how we say? We say 1, 2, 3 and then we start?
Yeah.
So who count? You count.
Alright, you guys. Let's see who's like muscle is the strongest. 1, 2, 3.
That's harder. That's easy. Look, you just.
Baby, it's making me laugh too much. I can't.
What kind of balloon is that?
I feel like I'm gonna poop in my pants. Let's try 2 other balloons. Let's change them. Because it's stretching out. I'm trying this one.
She really looked disappointed. She really had a lot of hope in this challenge.
You guys, that was so much fun. I lost by just a little.
By just a little bit.
I lost by 1 pop.
2.
2 pop. Ow. You guys, those were harder than I thought. But that was so much fun. You guys should go ahead and try the
balloon challenge.
Yes. You guys should go ahead and try the balloon challenge. It's so much fun. Do it with your family, do it with your friends, do it with your wife, do it with your husband. Have fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. And we'll see you guys in our next challenge. Bye guys.